Healthy lifestyle hacks, diet, hydration, sleep, and mindfulness, made simple. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, I'm Aloe Queen, and today we're diving into something we all need but often overlook: healthy lifestyle hacks that actually work. We're keeping it simple, practical, and fun so you can start implementing these tips right after watching this video. So, let's talk about the 4 pillars that can completely transform your health and energy: diet, hydration, sleep, and mindfulness. Ready? Let's go. And diet. Fuel your body, don't just feed it. We've all heard the phrase, "you are what you eat," but let's make it actionable. Hack No. 1, the plate rule. Fill half your plate with colorful veggies, a quarter with lean protein, and the last quarter with healthy carbs. This makes balanced eating automatic. Hack No. 2, smart snacking. Instead of chips or candy, try a handful of nuts, fruit with yogurt, or even roasted chickpeas. They give you energy without the sugar crash. Hack No. 3, meal prepping. Spend 1 day a week prepping simple meals. This saves time, money, and prevents that last-minute, "what should I eat?" stress. Question for you: what's your go-to healthy snack? Drop it in the comments. I'd love to try your ideas. 2, hydration, your body's power source. Did you know your body is about 60% water? Staying hydrated isn't just about quenching thirst. It helps your brain, skin, digestion, and even your mood. Hack No. 1, the 8-8 rule. Aim for 8 glasses of water a day, but remember, if you're active or in a hot climate, you'll need more. Hack No. 2, flavor your water. Add slices of lemon, cucumber, or berries to make hydration more exciting. Hack No. 3, water before coffee. Drink a glass of water first thing in the morning before reaching for coffee. It wakes up your system naturally. Quick challenge: pause this video and drink a glass of water right now. Ready, go! Asleep. Recharge your brain and body. Sleep isn't lazy, it's your body's reset button. Without quality sleep, no amount of diet or exercise will save your energy levels. Hack No. 1, sleep routine. Go to bed and wake up at the same time daily, even on weekends. Hack No. 2, digital detox before bed. Avoid screens at least 30 minutes before sleeping. Instead, read, journal, or listen to calming music. Hack No. 3, bedroom setup. Keep your room dark, cool, and quiet. Even small changes, like blackout curtains or white noise, can improve sleep. Question for you: how many hours of sleep do you usually get? Be honest, type it in the comments. 4, mindfulness. Stress less, live more. We live in such a fast-paced world that mindfulness isn't just nice to have, it's a survival skill. Hack No. 1, 2-minute breathing. Just close your eyes, take slow breaths in and out, and reset your mind. You'd be amazed how powerful 2 minutes can be. Hack No. 2, gratitude journal. Every morning or night, write down 3 things you're grateful for. It trains your brain to focus on the positive. Hack No. 3, mindful walks. Take a short walk without your phone. Notice the sounds, smells, and sights around you. It grounds you in the present moment. After this video, try a 2-minute breathing exercise and share how you feel in the comments. Putting it all together. Now here's the magic. These 4 hacks work best when combined. Eating better gives you more energy. Drinking water helps your body use that energy efficiently. Sleeping well allows you to recharge fully. Practicing mindfulness keeps stress from undoing all your progress. Think of it like a puzzle. When all the pieces fit together, you create a healthier, happier version of yourself. So there you have it, healthy lifestyle hacks made simple. You don't need to overhaul your life overnight. Just pick one small hack from each category and start today. Over time, the small steps add up to a big transformation. If you found this video helpful, do me a quick favor, hit the like button so more people can discover these tips. Subscribe to the channel for more health and wellness hacks every week. And don't forget to share this video with a friend who could use a little lifestyle upgrade. Your health is your greatest wealth, so let's invest in it together. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.